Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Twisted Huggy Wuggy. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the mouth. Let's draw a curve up and back down in the center. Then from both ends, let's curve it upwards. And then from the top, let's curve it back down. Now from both ends, let's curve it down and bring it slightly in. And then a U-shaped curve at the bottom to close off the shape of the mouth. Next, let's hop inside, and from the top in the center, let's draw a curve down and up on both sides. And then follow the same curves all the way down. And that's it for the shape of the mouth. Now let's move inside and add the teeth. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw two skinny V-shaped teeth down. And now let's work our way out on both sides. And now let's add shorter teeth all along the bottom row in the same way. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop on top and add the eyes. On the top left, let's draw an oval shape up and back down. And the same on the top right. And then color both of the eyes in black. Now that we're done the eyes, let's hop up and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start with a U-shaped curve on top. And then bring it down slightly on both ends. Now from the top, let's draw another wavy line up on an angle. And back down again. Now at the ends, let's draw a small angle up. And then a wavy line down. Now underneath, let's draw another wavy line down on both sides. A bump at the bottom. And then two more bumps, bringing it back into the side of the mouth. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the body. Underneath both sides of the head, let's draw a wavy line down. And then a pointed piece outwards. Two bumps underneath both sides. And then a U-shaped curve across. Next, let's hop to the sides and add the arms. Next to the head, let's draw a wavy line up and bring it in at the end. And the same on the right side. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw a bump out and then a wavy line out. Next, underneath, let's draw a curve down and bring it in slightly. And then a wavy line down on an angle. Now top back over to the top line and let's draw a bumpy line down. And now let's close off the end with a curve. Now at the end of each arm, let's add the hands. We'll start at the bottom and let's draw a curve out, and the same on the right. Now draw a curved V shape underneath for the first finger. Now let's leave a small gap and let's draw another curve out and back up, and the same thing on the right. Now underneath in the gap, let's draw another finger by angling it out and back up. Now top to the top and let's close off the hand with another finger out and back in. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start underneath the body on the left side and let's draw a wavy line down and out. And the same thing on the right. Now for the end, let's draw a bumpy line, curving it downwards. Now top on top and let's follow that same curve all the way down with a bumpy line. Now at the bottoms, let's add the feet. We'll start with the curve across that comes down further in the center. Then from the outside, let's draw a curve down. Next, let's hop in and let's draw the first toe by bringing it down and back up. Then on top, let's draw another curve out and back up for the next toe. And then another bent one on the outside. Lastly, let's add one more smaller toe on top. And that's it for Twisted Huggy Wuggy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!